So what's the deal with Internet Explorer and HTML5? Well, Internet Explorer doesn't really like HTML5 simply because it doesn't know what it is. Now, the latest version of Internet Explorer, and if you're watching this video far in the future from when I recorded this lecture, perhaps Internet Explorer got its crap together and fully supports HTML5. But there are older versions of Internet Explorer that are still being widely used, such as IE 6, 7, and 8. And they don't really support HTML5 very well, if at all. Meaning they don't know the tags. They don't know the header tag, footer tag, aside, the article tag, section, so on and so forth. So we need to be able to do something in order to make Internet Explorer play well with HTML5. Luckily, it's pretty easy. Essentially, the deal with Internet Explorer is it doesn't recognize the tags, therefore it just doesn't see them. So you get some crazy stuff happening on your site, and it's bad. But all you really have to do is include a script, a JavaScript that is a plugin, and it tells Internet Explorer to recognize these elements and to establish them as block level elements, because that's all they are. They're just block level elements with different names that Internet Explorer doesn't understand. So this script tells Internet Explorer what the elements are, and then you could carry on using the HTML5 elements as you would in any other browser. It's just an extra step you kind of have to take. So I've created a new file here. You can go ahead and do the same, html5_ie.html. Get that basic structure in. Add a title. I said make HTML5 work in Internet Explorer. And I just have a paragraph tag down here. You don't have to copy it if you don't want to. It's just a little text that just tells you IE does not like HTML5. All you have to do is include a conditional comment in the head tag. You can see I'm using the code HTML here. That links the HTML shim script. Now you can read about HTML shim in Google. It's basically, you'll see HTML shim or shiv, and basically it's a JavaScript workaround to enable the styling of HTML5 elements in versions of IE prior to Internet Explorer 9. So it's just a script that you include in the head section of your site, and it just makes HTML5 work in IE 8 and lower. And here is a conditional comment, something you haven't seen before. You put it in the head tag, and basically, because Internet Explorer is so bad, it actually it created a comment that only Internet Explorer can see, so that you can add certain things to fix Internet Explorer's problems. So only Internet Explorer can read this comment. So the browser, if it's Internet Explorer, can see, oh, hey, if IE, so Internet Explorer, then whatever is in between these two comments, implement. So this won't show up in any other browser except for IE. And so it's a script, and you can go ahead and copy this if you want. In fact, you should. Script, the source, src, equals, and then it's a URL that links to the source code of HTML shim, and then close the script tag. And we'll be more familiar with the script tag as we go through the course. It's something you'll be playing around with a lot. But right now, just do this. This is what you got to know how to do. Simply this. And that will basically tell Internet Explorer, hey, get your act together. HTML5 is cool, and you should know how to use it. And this basically lets you use it. So that is how you make HTML5 work in Internet Explorer. And then now in here, you can literally put any of the HTML5 tags you want, and it will work in Internet Explorer 8 and lower. And that is how you make HTML5 work in IE.